For this workshop, I want to show you how to use broadcasts to get two sprites, well, two or more sprites really, to communicate with each other. We use broadcasts in order to send signals back and forth between sprites. So in my program here, I've got two sprites. I've got an orange and I've got a banana. You can see right here. And so I've also changed my backdrop, and I've given my program a title, Bad Joke. Okay, so like I said, we're going to be using events. So first I'm going to go ahead and use the when green flag is clicked. That way when the green flag is clicked, something happens. I'm on the wrong sprite though, because I want my banana to tell a joke. So I'm actually going to drag this back off and go to my banana, drag the arrow on. So when the green is clicked, I want him or her, the banana, suppose, to say knock knock. Okay, so it's going to say knock knock, and it's going to do that for 2 seconds. So if I go ahead and just hit green right here, we can see knock knock. It stays there for 2 seconds and then goes away. Okay. Now the program does wait for these 2 seconds. The sprite doesn't do anything for those 2 seconds. So even if I were to say hello 2 seconds, then if we watch this, it says knock knock for 2 seconds, then it says hello. So this is actually like a 2-second little timer. Okay. All right, so we're going to say knock knock, and then we're going to use our events here to send a broadcast. So we're going to say broadcast, and I'm going to add a new message here. And you want to use meaningful names here. So I'm just going to say orange turn 1. All right, so this way the orange knows it's his turn, or its turn. So now go to the orange. When I receive orange turn 1, then we're going to have the orange say, who's there? Now once the orange says who's there, then it needs to broadcast back to tell the banana, hey, it's your turn now. So I'm going to add a new message here. I'll call it banana turn. I'll call it banana turn 1. It's really banana's second turn, but since there's only the single broadcast, I'll go ahead and do that. So banana turn 1. So I'll go back to my banana. When I receive banana turn 1. All right, now at this point, by the way, I run it. It says knock knock. The orange says who's there. Okay, so now I want to respond to that question, who's there, with orange. And then we're going to broadcast, right? Because now it's the orange's turn again. Message, orange turn 2. So now inside of my orange, when I receive orange turn 2, we're going to say orange 2. And again, we broadcast. We say, okay, it's your turn again, banana. Message, banana turn 2. Right, so now the banana. So now if we run this, we should see knock knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange who? And so now it's time for the punchline. So when I receive banana turn 2, we're going to say orange, you glad I didn't say banana? Which of course is the punchline. Now let's hear along with that. Let's go ahead and get some sound in here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and let's look at sounds here. I'm going to add, I really want the drum kind of sound. Let's see if we can get a laugh maybe. Actually, let's do a laugh. Let's do a crowd laugh. Let's see what that sounds like. All right, let's see. Oh, that's really loud. All right, we'll go ahead and do a laugh. 1. Why not? All right. And so now over here, orange let it didn't say banana. And we'll go ahead and have play sound until done. Okay. Now, what we can also do, just to demonstrate a little bit of a different thing here, under our control here, we also have a broadcast and wait. Okay. So if I put broadcast and wait, and I tell the orange that it's orange turn 3. Okay. Actually, I'm going to do a broadcast and wait, then I'm going to do a broadcast, and then I'm also going to do a broadcast and wait. So I'm just going to do a broadcast first. So orange turn 3. And when the orange receives orange turn 3, all right, let's go ahead and just have the orange start sound. All right, so the orange doesn't have any other sounds, so we need to add a sound here. Let's go ahead and get a different laugh for the orange. All right, so, all right, there we go, that'll work. So we'll change this to laugh 2. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and do play sound until done here. Okay. All right. Now over here, we're going to go ahead and broadcast orange turn 3. And let's go ahead and do laugh 1 at the same time. Okay, so let's see what happens here when I run the program. Knock, knock. Who's there? But orange. Orange who? Orange, glad I didn't say banana. Now notice what happened there. We got, and you may not have heard super well, but we get both laughs at the same time. In other words, when I broadcast orange turn 3, orange immediately plays the sound, and so does this laugh right here. If we do broadcast and wait, go ahead and play it. Knock, knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange who? Orange, glad I didn't say banana. And it does what you might expect. It actually waits until the orange finishes its little bit right here, and then it finishes. So that's something to keep in mind. If you want to broadcast, and you want, in some cases, for both sprites to act simultaneously, then you can just broadcast and they can act simultaneously. If you want to make sure that the other sprite finishes what it's doing before continuing on, then you broadcast and wait.